Hi everyone, I just thought I'd just show you a little storage solution today. Do you have lots of washi tapes and you've put them all in a container and the containers are now getting bigger and bigger and more and you can't really see at a glance what you've got. And what you really need to do is be able to take them out every time you use them and sort them out according to colour maybe, and put them on their ends so that they're easy to see, and so that you can see at a glance what you've got. And then while they're on their ends, then you can just take out the one you want and put it back where it came from. Now to me that would be the ideal storage solution, and big containers like this don't work for that. So I went to my local fishing gear shop and I bought some fishing tackle boxes with adjustable side panels, and I started organizing my washi tapes according to color. And I arranged the panels to suit the dividers, organized the dividers according to what color they were also. So here's my first one, and as you can see it's just an ordinary fishing tackle box, and it has dividers. Now it's got long dividers like that, and it's got little short ones like this that slide in and out. So now I just sort my washi tape out according to the colors I have. Have a look at that. Easy to see, easy to pull out, and easy to rearrange any way I want. And if I take one out, I can see what's missing. Now that's one box, and this is the other box. And as you can see, I've even got one little container full of spare dividers. And there's all glitter ones there, rainbow ones, yellow, red and green, reds, greens, pinks, plain tapes, metallic paints, washi tapes, etc. So I just thought that might be of use to you, but a nice quick easy way, and then you just flip the lids closed, and easy to take with you, pick up and carry wherever you want. Lay them out on the table. I do classes, so I can lay these two out in the middle where all the students are, and they can easily just pull out the one they want and put it back where it came from, because it's arranged according to colour, so easy to see where it came from. Hope that was useful. Bye for now.